to Wheelcraft Studio, your go-to destination for everything auto-related. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated vehicles of 2025, the Tesla Cybertruck. With its futuristic design and groundbreaking technology, the Cybertruck has been a topic of intense discussion since its unveiling. In this detailed review, we will explore everything you need to know about this remarkable electric truck, including its specifications, features, and overall performance. The Cybertruck's design is unlike anything else on the road. Its sharp, angular exoskeleton is constructed from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, making it both durable and visually striking. This material is designed to withstand the toughest environments and protect passengers in extreme conditions. Adding to its rugged nature is Tesla Armor Glass, which offers superior strength and impact resistance for the windows. When it comes to performance, the Cybertruck delivers impressive stats. It is available in 3 configurations: single-motor rear-wheel drive, dual-motor all-wheel drive, and tri-motor all-wheel drive. The single-motor version has a range of around 250 miles on a single charge, while the dual-motor offers 300 miles. The tri-motor version, the top-tier option, boasts a range of over 500 miles. Acceleration is another highlight, with the tri-motor model going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. The Cybertruck is built for utility as well as speed. It features an expansive cargo area with a 6.5-foot bed and a total storage capacity of 100 cubic feet. Tesla's adaptive air suspension system allows the truck to raise or lower depending on the terrain, providing up to 16 inches of ground clearance for off-road adventures. Its towing capacity is equally impressive, maxing out at 14,000 pounds on the tri-motor variant. Inside the Cybertruck, the cabin is minimalist yet functional. The interior features seating for up to 6 people, with a foldable middle seat in the front row. A massive 17-inch touchscreen sits at the center, serving as the hub for all controls and infotainment needs. Tesla's advanced autopilot comes standard, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities. The Cybertruck also includes over-the-air updates, ensuring that your vehicle remains at the cutting edge of Tesla's software innovations. Tesla has emphasized sustainability in every aspect of the Cybertruck. The vehicle is fully electric, meaning zero emissions during operation. Its solar panel option adds a new dimension to energy efficiency, allowing the Cybertruck to gain additional range by harnessing sunlight. This feature is particularly beneficial for those planning to use the truck in remote areas where charging stations may not be readily available. Safety is another area where the Cybertruck excels. The rigid exoskeleton and strategically designed crumple zones ensure maximum protection for passengers. Tesla's suite of safety features, including collision avoidance, emergency braking, and lane keeping assist, further enhances the driving experience. For potential buyers, the Cybertruck's pricing is surprisingly competitive. The base single-motor model starts at $49,900, while the dual-motor and tri-motor versions are priced at $59,900 and $79,900, respectively. These price points make it an attractive option when compared to traditional gas-powered trucks with similar capabilities. Customization is another key aspect of the Cybertruck's appeal. Tesla offers a variety of add-ons and configurations, including off-road packages, camping kits, and unique exterior finishes. This allows buyers to tailor the vehicle to their specific needs and preferences. The Cybertruck is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of what the future of transportation could look like. Its bold design, unmatched performance, and innovative features set it apart in a crowded market. Whether you're an adventurer, a tech enthusiast, or someone looking for a sustainable alternative to traditional trucks, the Cybertruck has something to offer. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Tesla Cybertruck and want more reviews, features, and automotive content, don't forget to subscribe to Wheelcraft Studio. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest from the world of vehicles. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.